Fall apart. Get up. What matters at the end is how you left them all. Wait up. Fire in my soul, fire in my heart. Till you see me on the other side of stars. I'm running.
To be close.
If you wanna go ahead, free to do whatever. I'm chilling on my bed, I'm minding my biz. So mind your own biz. Whatever life gives, we gon' flow with. He said, hey, 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 fueling the fire with the burning desire. Every day we're inspired, but it never expires. But we gon' chill today. Let me rock the world tomorrow. Yeah. Chill vibes, the nighttime of love. Designer on one, any types of rise. Yeah, I'm down. Sit back, relax to the sound that goes around, 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 around. She said, hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire. Every day we're inspired, but it never expires. But we gon' chill today. Let me rock the world tomorrow, boy. Yeah. I like this right here. Bubba on the track, remix. Alright, check it out right now. Time to shine and I'm down to ride. I'm gonna drive until the break of dawn, wild and go. I'm on a mission, grinding out whatever it is I gotta do. Riding out until the day I meet you. I'm riding out. I look up in the sky, asking like why. Never let it faze me. I'm keeping good vibes when I'm on the road. Watch out for all surprises. What it provides is good and bad, but nothing entices us. Ha ha. Put your hands up, wave it side to side, of good luck. For all the nights like this, put your hands up. Love the moment even from dusk. Yup, you always got my back, and of course I got your back. Don't you worry about that. It's been a good day, good night. It's gonna be a good day, good night.